time. I was gonna park this thing up for the winter, but so far this winter I've finished the bed corners, or the, god damn it, the plow hit my fucking mailbox. So far this winter, I finished my cab corners, I got my rocker getting cut out and set, and I just did my rag joint today. So what's gonna happen is I'm gonna go and fix my mailbox real quick, and then I'm gonna go test on my rag joint. It's not a complete fix like I wanted to, where I want to get the whole new knurled coupler at the end, but it's a quick fix. I was able to replace the rubber disc, and I had some bolts that I could put in there in the meantime to hold it. It's solid, and it should work, but I think it'll be all right for now until I can get a nice, like, fully new coupler, which those run for $100 roughly. But I got this disc for free because this rag joint, this is the old one, this is all worn out. Hell, I even split it trying to get it off of the steering shaft, but it's all nasty. And the new one is a little bit thicker, probably about 2 or 3 millimeters, so hopefully it'll work for me. It seemed pretty good in the driveway, but we're gonna get ready to go test out soon and then fix my mailbox. Ooh, we're a little bit tighter now. I mean, it still has a little bit of play. Definitely not like what it was before. Hell yeah. Going for a nice foggy drive into town. It's like driving my Sierra. I have an 09 Sierra too. What's nice about that is because it's full rack and pinion, it's instant response, kind of like this. Oh, this is awesome. Wheels nice and straight. God, this thing handles now. I didn't want to take it out for the winter, but I gotta do my test drive. So much better. I think I still might do the Jeep mod though, to the steering shaft. Not sure yet, haven't decided, but it'll make it nice and tight. I'm really considering it. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoy this, and like, subscribe. See you next time.